Alright, let's see how we can earn money on AdmeFirst by liking people's pages, viewing their YouTube channels, following their Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter accounts. So, to start, you need to have at least one or all of these dummy accounts. Create a free dummy account, the one that you will use to like, share, follow, and view other people's videos and channels. So for example, I have created mine for Facebook, so I will go to Facebook Like and start liking people's pages. So click here, then like, wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then close tab. While I'm doing this, I earn points. As you can see, 13 points added to your balance, which it is added here. So I can go to Facebook Share and share this post. So you don't wanna do this on your real account, so that's why I said it's good you create a dummy account, the one that you will use for purposely for this job. So after doing that, the points will be added to that again. Let's try some Instagram likes. Then you like this. Then wait for some 2-3 seconds, then you close the tab, you earn your points. Let's try YouTube likes. So you try the option with many points so that you will get the most advantage. Like, wait 2-3 seconds, then you close the tab. YouTube views. Let's try some YouTube views. So wait for 30 seconds and get 8 points. So you watch this video for like 30 seconds, then you get 8 points. As you can see, it is counting here. The more you do this, the more you gain more points, and you can trade those points with real cash directly to PayPal. But we are not going to do it on these sites because it is expensive. So I will show you how we can trade that. So when you get this, they just want to verify if this is a real human doing this. So click and orient this to look straight, then submit. So when it's incorrect, you try again, then submit. Nice. Let's see some TikTok followers. This will take long. I will close it. Let's again go to YouTube likes. Like and get 14 points. Simply like the video. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Then close, and you get your 14 points. So this is what we do on daily basis. We gain points here, then we trade these points with real cash. Another trick to get many points, you come here to daily bonus, When you get at least 100 clicks, they add you 400 points and more as a bonus. And also when you refer someone to this site, you get 300 points. So for that sake, if you don't have an account, I will leave a link on the description below. Open that Google Sheet document and the link will be there. Click and so that I earn 300 points. So after here, let me show you how we can get that money to PayPal. Okay, to change these points into cash, first let's understand something here. Let's go to the account, to the site called the Player Up. Here you can see people are trading their accounts. We have Twitter accounts for sale, YouTube accounts, Instagram, and then look for another one, Facebook account for sale. Basically, Player Up is for selling and buying accounts. The type of accounts being sold here are social media accounts and gaming accounts mostly. So people buy those accounts because when they have so many followers, companies would like to place their promotion products on those accounts. So people will take advantage to buy when it has so many subscribers and followers. That's the reason why you see people are trading it here, and it's working, guys. If you find this not working for you, you can simply go and search for Player Up alternatives. And you can view here there are other many sites that sells and buy accounts, so you can as well try those one. So get that money, let's understand this from the admin first site. We have two options to earn money through Player Up. The first one is by selling accounts. The second one is by charging people to view, like, subscribe and share their already existing accounts. And by doing that, we get paid through PayPal. So it's a simple step, as you can see here. I try to demonstrate it very easy. We can do that to YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and many other gaming sites. So how exactly are we going to do that? You can decide to go to admin first and create a new Facebook, Twitter, YouTube account from scratch and boost it to gain more subscribers and viewers. Then sell it to Player Up directly, then you earn your money. Or option 2, you can decide to just go to Player Up directly, get somebody's account and grow it with views, likes, subscribers and shares, and through that he pays you directly to PayPal. So to do that, let me demonstrate. Let's go back to admin first. Once you have your points as I've described before, come here to add site. Then let me assume you want to boost the view count on the YouTube channel that is in place. So you come here and select YouTube views, then you find the URL for that video. For example, if it's this one, so you copy this URL, then come to admin first, paste it here, then select title. tell them view and get 10 points. Then select this total clicks, how many clicks do you want, so this will represent the number of views you want. So for example, if it is 1000, then I'll say 1000, then how many clicks do you want per day is 100. How many points are you going to give out on each click? Then let me say 5 points. So on every 5 points I will get a view to that video. So say save changes, and boom, you are done. So this is running and everything will go. If you go well, you will get more views on that video. And by doing that, you go back to PlayerUp and sell your account here. You place a trade and someone will request a money change, or you can simply take someone's existing account and grow it. Then he pays you for likes, views, comments, or subscription. So you can see this person. Let's see some examples of people selling and buying TikTok likes. So for example, this person is selling 1k TikTok likes first for $10. And where do you think he get those likes? It is in these sites. Once he has the points, then he can come to add that site of yours if you are the one who's buying this. So you will add your site here, then it will run within 24 hours. You have your 1k likes. You may wonder why people want to grow their channel and buy and exchange channels. I did the research and you can see there is higher demand in YouTube accounts, Facebook accounts, TikTok accounts, Instagram and Twitter, because companies are looking for people with more followers and are willing to brand themselves on their accounts, and for that they get earned money. That's why people are willing to buy these accounts. And guys, that's how we do it. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Comment there if you found this helpful, and if you not found it helpful, also let me know in the comments. Have a good day.